Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price movement today pretty straightforward. And as far as this morning was concerned, I mean, the price did gap up very nicely, actually ran a little bit, but ultimately this turned out to be what in technical jargon would be called a gap and trap. Again, like I said, the price did gap up. If you're not familiar with the term, it closed there on Monday, and then today, Tuesday, opened up right there, ran up as high as there. Some poor souls actually bought right there. And then after that point, it was essentially bears the remainder of the day as the price went back down and essentially went right back to where it all started. Now, that's technically not necessarily true because it started right there. So if I kind of extend that out, you can see it didn't quite go down to there. But I think we can all agree that as far as the general premise is concerned, the price is essentially right back into this area of the chart where it was before that big gap up happened. So it's not like it was a total crash. So that's why I'm not calling it a pump and dump. But it was definitely a gap and trap in the sense of it gapped up. And then anybody that was buying up around there after the gap up, they're now underwater by quite a bit. But we'll see if the price can try to, stabilize things and level it out. And the main point of support in regards to that going forward, right down here at the 25-cent mark, slightly above 25 cents. But if you take a quick trip down memory lane here and look at the past data, you can see a whole bunch of times the price has bounced right off that area, including at one point today. So just slightly up above 25 cents, like I said, is going to be that initial area. If the price does not hold above 25 cents, in my opinion, that's where it becomes a pump and dump officially, because that would imply that the price is now right back to where it was here. So again, that would imply that the price gapped up, went all the way up there, and then all of a sudden the price is literally right back to where it started. If that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Now, when I say pump and dump, I'm not saying that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making all these comments based on the chart, hence the price action. So on how the price is acted, if it were to behave in that manner, then I don't know how else you would describe that. But all in all, we'll see what happens with it. And maybe this is some sort of little consolidation and the bulls can give it another run to the upside. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.